Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how to install a theme in WordPress. Let's say you have a website with a default design like this and you want to improve the design like this. So now you can do that easily by following the instructions of this video.
So let's get started.
Now, what is a WordPress theme? A WordPress theme is the design of your website. If you want to change the design, then all you have to do is choose a theme you like, then install it on your site. This is the site where we are going to install a WordPress theme. So now you can install a theme in multiple ways. Let's see them one by one. First, get into your WordPress dashboard by typing your domain/wp-admin. Put the username and password, then click on login. Once you are over here, then go to appearance, then theme. It will take you to this page. So this is the page where you can install WordPress themes. To add a new theme, just click on add new. Here you can see a lot of pre-made themes are showing. You can just pick one of them, or you can search a particular theme by typing the theme name over here. In my case, I am searching for Astra. Astra is a free and powerful theme which has a bunch of functionalities. Once I found that, then I just click on the install button. Once it is installed, then just click on activate to activate the theme. It is successfully activated. You can delete the other themes which are pre-installed. Now, if you go back to your site and click on refresh, then you can see the result. So, this is how you can easily install a WordPress theme in your website. Thank you guys. If you find this video helpful, then give a like and please consider subscribing to this channel.